Welcome back. In a shocking incident, mentally retarded son murdered his aged mother in their residence at Karmali, Keri in Priol. 75-year-old Sita Gaude Karmalkar was murdered by her son on Tuesday night. Accused son Suryakant Karmalkar was later arrested by Ponda police. He had murdered his father around 6 years back.
75-year-old Sita Gaude Karmalkar was murdered by her mentally retarded son on Tuesday night. Suryakant Karmalkar was arrested by Ponda police on Wednesday. Suryakant had murdered his father around 6 years back. He was earlier sentenced to 3 years imprisonment for this offence. Locals say Suryakant had made an attempt to attack his wife on Tuesday evening, but she along with her daughter had left the house before he could execute his plans.
चढान चढ म्हाका तो तकली सामके भरून तापली म्हणटरी तो तेगेले कितें तरी जालें आसता म्हाका कशें कळटा तेगेले मना तेका कितें जाता तें म्हाका कशें कळटलें
मी पयलीं पूण कितें तरी हें केल्लें कितें बापायक मारलें
बापाय अशेंच जाल्लें तेका पयलींच म्हणून ते सामकें तकली गरम जाल्ल्यार आनी तेका कितें करूं आनी कितें ना अशें जाल्लें ते तिडकीन तेणें बापाय मारलो खरें म्हणटालें आमी पयलीं सगळीं तेजें लग्न जावचें पयलीं सगळीं आमी एकच कडेन आशिल्ले मागीर म्हणल्यार गेले बायलां कळ्ळें मागीर जाता सारकें जायना बिस्कडलें हे गेले मागेले बायले जाल्यार तेगेले बायले कितें इकडे कडेन जाता आसतें मागीर म्हणल्यार तुमी म्हणल्यार सेपरेट राव हांव सेपरेट रावता म्हणून
हे जाल्यार म्हाका वचोंकूच दिनात लागलो
कितें सोरो पितालो
पियणा सारो
आं कितें म्हणटालो
सारको जेयना आसलो टॅबलेटी घेयना आसलो घुवन मारतालो आमकां सामको
तुमकां काय मारतालो
आमी पोव धांवताले सामकी
कितें जाल्लें कितें पूण तेका
जेयत नासलो फिरा टोकरी अशी जाताली तशी जाताली सामकी
सोरो बीन दितालो
ना
तुजें नांव कितें
म्हजें नांव सुचिता
सुचिता
पुलिसान बीन तुमी तशी केली कंप्लेंट बीन
पयर
द्यायची
हांवें कंप्लेंट केलेली पुलिसांक सांगलें
हॉस्पिटलान बीन दवरलेलो
कोणाक तेका टॅबलेटी हाडटालें हांव वचोन
खंयच्या डॉक्टरा दाखयतालो तुमकां
हांगासर हिंगा मेंटलान बांबोये
थंय एडमीट बीन केल्लो
ना पयलीं तेंच्यांनी केला तेका एडमीट पुलिशेन आसतना
तुमचें लग्न जालें कितले वर्सां
आमचें लग्न जाल्यार हें आतां 9वें चलता.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Eduardo Falero would resign as Commissioner of NRI Affairs on Thursday. He was addressing the media on Wednesday. Chairman of Congress Election Manifesto Committee Falero says after reasonable intervals there should be change in the government.
Eduardo Falero feels that to promote a regional language, that particular language should be used by the state in the administration.
It is like this. We are in a parliamentary democracy. In a parliamentary democracy, government is there, opposition is there. After reasonable time intervals, government must change. That is the basis of parliamentary democracy. Start Konkani in the government, not written. कित्याक पळय खुबशे म्हज्या समाजांत लोकांक पळय देवनागरी पळय येना ऑफ माय एज यू सी पूण उलोवप पूण एटलीस्ट यू स्पीक इन कोंकणी एट द मिटींग मेक एन एफर्ट give a training to these IAS officers, short training to understand things. Make a beginning in Konkani. And don't deprive the children of the poor, of those who cannot afford, from the education that those who can afford can have.
Falero had planned an orientation program for NRI youth of Goan origin to make them aware of Goan culture.
Young generation of people of Goan origin from the neighboring areas. You see, let them come here. We'll prepare something, that was my idea, prepare something for them, a orientation program. What is life in Goa? Their life is different, mind you. Though they have 3-4 centuries make a difference. So their life is different. Let them understand our life, our culture here, our industries here, our educational system here. And then let them go around, meet people, which is other youth from here. Same lines of the No Goa program for youth of our diaspora, means youth which is abroad.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Newly elected Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida inspected the site of the proposed Murgaon Taluka headquarters building project at Vade on Wednesday. It was the dream project of former Revenue Minister José Philip de Souza, but it remained on paper.
Carlos Almeida says that the project is the need of Vasco. It would relocate all the government offices in the city under one roof. He has assured to complete the project in 2 years.
See, it's only to expedite the construction of this. This is a government building. It has been I think almost a year since the foundation stone was laid and nothing has happened. See, for the last 4 years, our ex-minister has been celebrating his birthday parties here on this field. And now I think it's high time that we start the work. But then some technical problems were there, which I'm trying to coordinate and settle them. See, it has taken 4 years to start the project. I think at least give me 2 years. I'm trying to link. I'm not trying. I'm going to link this. There's a 15-meter ODP road that links. It's like a ring road from the fire brigade side till shipyard. So I'm going to link this link road. So it will facilitate this proper movement of traffic.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
St. Xavier's College hosted IRIS 2012, a students' film festival. It was organized by the Department of Mass Communication and Videography. This is the 5th year the college has hosted this event. Various mass communication colleges and animation institutes participated in IRIS 2012. Various events were organized for the Students' Film Festival organized by the students of Mass Communication of St. Xavier's College. Documentaries produced by the students focusing on various issues in the state were screened. Students were happy with the festival.
We came over here, the banana chips, talking about the migrants are facing the problems all over the world, I mean in India. So it's like a good opportunity for us, show our talents and to know others also how they are trying to acting in the new editing skills and all. So it's really a good, it's hats off to these people.
IRIS is a student film festival and it's been done in college for the past 4 years now. This is the 5th year of IRIS 2012. Well, this year we decided to, provide a platform to students to basically showcase their creativity, and we have new events that we are having this year, like trailer making, short film making, documentaries, and we have kept it open to colleges outside our own. So the response is good.
This is the 5th edition of IRIS. A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte. News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.